Now, let me tell you something, people. You're very lucky that I took the high-quality video to show you the next beautiful room. This is our bathroom, and our bath towels, and a light bulb, and a toilet with a button. Look, I can flush my own toilet. Woohoo! No bathtub, sadly, but it does flush. So we're up here on, oh, look at that. We got body wash, conditioner, and shampoo built in. And if you want to, have some sex with me making them babies, we'll just close the door and have sex and make them babies. Now, I'm trying to figure out where all the lights are. Boom! That's going to be the greatest place for a freaking photo shoot ever in the world. Look at that flat screen. Now, sadly, you know me, I'm totally against all the, no, there we go, it works. All the stuff in this world of ours, but if you're going to do photo shoots with me, you're going to have to fly me out to Vegas, and we're going to have to get us some nice hotel rooms so we can do some super awesome sexualized. Make me a goddess. Make me a god. How's that open? New to this place. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's opening. It's opening. And there's our iron. Now, unlike, well, I haven't finished doing my look around, but in Miami, I had a safe built into my room. And how do I turn this one on? Oh, it's way down there. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oh my God. God, get me that far enough away. Shit. Okay. Trying to breathe here. And so, a room like no other. And when you're doing photo shoots, you don't want people to not reflect in the mirror. So I got mirrors so I can make sure they're reflective. I got me a seat, got some drawers. I have no idea. I think this is a chair. So when I do my written work here at the table, I can do the written work, and you will have the written work done. And I don't see no safe yet. Hold on, one more drawer, one more border. No. Oh, there it is. All right, make sure it works. Boom. Got a safe for all my goodies. Got to put my Glock and my new Glock version 5. Okay, that's enough rambling for me. Gonna go out and do some stuff. But, wow, you talk about a place to do a photo shoot and have great sex and bless your witches and your warlocks and your high priestess. Well, you come here, the oracle for the end of an age. Only got so much sperm, though. I'm only gonna be here for 4 days, so 1 girl a day. That just means 4 of y'all. You will be blessed. And until then, I'm going to get the hell on because my protector's like, I need food and I want to eat. And so we're going to go do that. We're going to go get some food and we're going to go eat. Johnny Exodice and Jeppo Jinx, living the dream. Logan's Run, Buck Rogers, Battlestar Galactica, fuck off and fuck all y'all too. Much love. 322 was not a failure.